Isn't she lovely? Made from love. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Oh, less than 1 minute. I never thought through love we'd be making one as lovely as she. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? Made from love.
Never know how much I love you. Never know how much I care. Waiting for your arms around me.
Even Amy Reed talked about it can be foot free. So if you're a corner, you got to make sure that footing, and that time Vincent Brown was the quicker guy.
Tony Sperano told us he wanted to get Vincent Brown involved now that he's healthy, and he does right away the first time he enters the game. So now from the Chiefs 41. There's Carr, and that pass is going back to Brown, but a miscommunication. We go back to that 03 season. Since that time, since basically the end of the Gannon era, Gannon got hurt early at the start of the 04 season. Look where they rank: win percentage, last, points per game, next to last, giving up the most points. 8 head coaches, and Carr, the 18th different starting quarterback. Here's